Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Notepad not opening in Windows 11. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go on search, then you need to go and look for settings. Then once you're on the settings, you need to go to apps, installed apps, and on installed apps, on search apps box, you need to write Notepad, right? Then press on the three dots, advanced options, then scroll down and you should see reset tab, press repair, right? You wait until repair is completed, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to reset the app, but keep in mind that as you can see here, the app's data will be deleted. So this means if you have some notepads that you don't want to lose, don't do that, right? Because it will delete all the data. But after you just press repair and restart your computer, the problem should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.